Hi guys, hello everybody. Have a prettiest morning, have a great time to all of you and welcome to our YouTube channel that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. This is a pure educational YouTube channel and we will provide you the best of the best quality and high-tech education. So please guys, subscribe our channel, like it, share it as much as you can and please comment it because your small step of a response, it will an empowerment of us and it will encourage us to provide you the best educational services. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram as well as Twitter with the same brand name in India, that is Edumotion Tutorials, the power of education. So keep watching and don't forget to press the bell icon. It will provide you the new notifications and we will be glad to provide you the educational services.
Tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta, then we get sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. If you consider this is your LHS, same procedure here. LHS क्या है आपका tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. Okay. Then tan to the power 4 theta we can write tan square theta into tan square theta plus tan square theta. See. यहाँ पे पावर 4 है, then we get to 2. Then if you observe that, if you could take common tan square theta, आपका यहाँ पे common निकलता है. Then tan square theta first common निकलने के बाद में we get tan square theta plus 1. Okay. Then tan square theta if you take common, then we get tan square theta. ये tan square theta common निकल गया, then we get 1. Again go to second identity 1 plus tan square theta. That is equals to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Instead of this 1 plus tan square theta, we write sec square theta. Then we get tan square theta into sec square theta. But RHS में आपका sec दिया है. Then we have to convert this tan into sec. Then tan square theta is equals to sec square theta plus 1 right hand side जाने के बाद में minus 1. Then we write instead of this sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. Then if you multiply sec square theta into sec square theta, that is equals to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. Sec square theta into 1 sec square theta, that is your RHS. क्या आएगा RHS. If you take LHS, then we get RHS. Okay. Next is that tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1. Then we get sec square theta plus tan theta. Then if you consider this your LHS क्या है देखिए आपका tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1. Then tell me expansion of this a cube minus b cube. Then we write a minus b. Then we get a square plus ab plus b square. Okay? क्या है देखो ये आपका अगर यहाँ पे माइनस है a cube minus b cube means if you take first a minus b, if it is minus then you take plus. a minus b first bracket second bracket a square दोनों का product ab plus b square. Then according to this we get tan cube theta minus 1. Then first bracket a minus b means tan theta minus 1. This is your in first bracket. Second bracket में आता है a square means we get tan square theta. Then plus second a into b means tan theta into 1 tan theta. Plus second का square, then we get 1 का square कितना आता है 1. Okay. Then we get instead of this tan cube minus 1, we write this tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Okay, divided by we get tan theta minus 1. Then this tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1 get cancelled. Then we get tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Okay, then first we write this 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta. Then tell me that according to second identity, 1 plus tan square theta, that is equals to sec square theta. Means instead of this 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, we write sec square theta plus tan theta. That is your RHS. Tan square theta plus sec square theta plus tan theta. LHS आपका क्या था? Tan cube theta minus 1. Means if you take a cube minus b cube, then first write a minus b. Then first का square a square plus ab plus b square. Then we get tan theta minus 1, tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Means instead of this tan cube theta minus 1, we write this tan theta minus 1, tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Then tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1 get cancelled. Then we get tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. But 1 plus tan square theta means what? Sec square theta. Then we get sec square theta plus tan theta. That is your RHS. Okay? And next. Next is that first problem is second. Next is that cosec theta minus cot theta. Cosec theta minus cot theta. Cosec theta minus cot theta. Its whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. See here, problem में क्या दिया है? Cosec theta minus cot theta is whole square, that is equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Again if you take this is your LHS. LHS means what? Left hand side. Left hand side क्या है आपका? Cosec theta minus cot theta into whole square. Then tell me that what is the value of cosec theta? What is the value of cosec theta? That is equals to 1 upon sin theta. Means instead of this cosec theta, we write 1 upon sin theta. Then tell me that what is the value of cot theta in terms of sin and cos? Then cos theta equals to we write cot theta equals to we write cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Instead of this cot theta, we write cos theta divided by sin theta. It is okay. Then next is that आपका डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? sin theta. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. Then we get 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. It is okay. Then separate numerator denominator. Then we get 1 minus cos theta into whole square divided by we write sin square theta. क्या किया है मैंने? न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेपरेट किया है. Then 1 minus cos theta. Then a minus b square we write a minus b. Okay, a minus b square, a minus b. Then we get 1 minus cos theta divided by आपका क्या है डिनोमिनेटर में sin square theta. Then use identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 1. sin square theta equals to ये प्लस में राइट हैंड साइड जाने के बाद में माइनस में. Okay, then instead of this sin square theta, we take 1 minus cos square theta. That is equals to we get 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. But this is your 1 minus cos square theta. What is the expansion of a square minus b square? In first bracket if you take a minus b, in second bracket if you take a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. This is your a square means 1 square minus cos square theta means if you write a minus b means 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Means instead of this we write 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta 1 plus Remaining is your 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. That is your RHS. If you observe that this is your LHS. LHS में मैंने क्या किया है? Instead of this cosec x 1 upon sin x, instead of this cot x cos x by sin x, then denominator आपका same है, then 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, then separate 1 minus cos theta into whole square divided by sin square theta, then a minus b square, a minus b. Instead of this sin square theta we write 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, then a square minus b square means a minus b, a plus b, then this get cancelled, then we get 1 minus cos theta divided by cos a divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. Then if you have to prove that is equals to 2 sec a, then same procedure is here. Consider LHS. Cos a divided by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. First step as it is लिख दिया, कुछ नहीं. LHS, if you take LHS as it is, okay. Then if you take cross multiplication, cos into cos, cos square a, cos into cos, cos square a, plus this is your 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a means 1 plus sin a into whole square divided by this is your 1 plus sin a into cos. Cross multiplication, cos into cos, cos square, 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a square. Then we write cos square a as it is into, then tell me that what is the expansion of a plus b square. Then we write a square plus 2ab plus b square. आपको पता है a plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then tell me that 1 plus sin a into whole square. That is your first square 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. First term square means 1 square plus 2 into 1 into sin a into second term sin square. That is equals to, we write 1 का square 1 plus 2 into sin a plus sin square. Okay, then this 1 plus sin a whole square, this 1 plus sin a whole square, then we write 1 plus 2 sin a into sin square here. 1 plus 2 sin a into plus sin square divided by that 1 plus sin a into cos. Okay, then we write this is your first we write this sin square a, then plus cos square a plus 1 plus 2 sin a divided by we write 1 plus sin a into cos. Okay, then according to first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta that is equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta that is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a into bracket 1 plus sin a into cos. Then tell me that 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos. Then if you take this 2 to get common, then we get 2 into 1 plus sin a divided by this is your 1 plus sin a into cos. And if you observe that this is your 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, get cancelled. That is equals to 2 divided by cos a. Then we write 2 into 1 upon cos a. Then tell me that 1 upon cos a, 1 upon cos a, that is equals to sec a. That is equals to sec a. Then 2 into sec a. That is your RHS. RHS क्या है आपका 2 sec a. If you observe that कुछ भी नहीं किया, first step cross multiplication, first step cross multiplication, देन नेक्स्ट a plus b इट होल स्क्वायर, इसका एक्सपांशन किया है, देन cos square a sin square a, instead of this we write 1 plus 2 sin a. If you write this 1 plus 1 then we get 2 plus 2 sin a. If you take 2 common 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a get cancel, then 1 upon cos a that is equals to sec a, means we write 2 sec a, that is your RHS. Next, next problem is that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay. See, if you write tan theta, consider if you are LHS, tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. See. Okay. First tell me that what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta means sin by cos. And what is the value of cot theta? If you write cos by sin. Cos by sin. Tan theta means what? Sin by cos. Cot theta means what? Cos by sin. Means instead of this tan theta, we write sin theta divided by cos theta. It's whole divided. We write 1 minus cot theta. Cot theta, if you get cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Plus again cot theta. Cot theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta. 1 minus again this tan theta. Tan theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या किया? कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने. Instead of this tan theta, sin by cos. Instead of this cot theta, cos by sin. If you observe that this is your sin theta divided by cos theta. It's whole divided by. Take cross multiplication. 1 into sin theta minus cos theta divided by, if you write sin theta. क्या किया? Sin theta into 1 sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Same procedure is here. Cos theta divided by sin theta. Then take cross multiplication. 1 into cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. If you observe that, अभी ये आपका डिनोमिनेटर में ऊपर जाके न्यूमरेटर में. See here, sin square theta divided by आपका क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. क्या किया देखो, डिनोमिनेटर में sin ये डिवाइड में है, आपका डिवाइड में जाएगा. सेम प्रोसीजर इज cos square theta. cos square theta divided by sin theta into bracket cos theta minus sin. ओके. क्या किया मैंने? दिस cos square theta and ये डिवाइड में गया sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Next is that see here, अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ? sin square theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta. If you write sin theta minus cos. इस स्टेप में क्या किया आपको समझ में है? कुछ भी नहीं किया. If you take this is your माइनस कॉमन निकल रहा हूँ. जब if you take माइनस कॉमन, माइनस का प्लस और प्लस का माइनस, then sin थीटा प्लस हो गया cos थीटा माइनस. क्यों किया है? क्योंकि इसका डिनोमिनेटर जो है sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा, सेम डिनोमिनेटर हो गया sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा. ओके. अभी then we get sin square theta divided by, अभी सेम अब आपका डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का मैं सेम करता हूँ, देन वी गेट sin थीटा into cos थीटा into ब्रैकेट sin थीटा minus cos थीटा into sin थीटा। इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दैट यहाँ पे मैंने sin से मल्टीप्लाई किया, sin से डिवाइड किया, sin से मल्टीप्लाई किया, sin से डिवाइड किया। सेम प्रोसीजर इज हियर, cos स्क्वायर थीटा into cos थीटा divided by sin theta into cos theta sin theta minus cos theta। see, cos से डिवाइड किया, cos से मल्टीप्लाई किया, cos से डिवाइड किया, cos से मल्टीप्लाई किया, then we get sin square theta into 1 1 2 कितना हो गया 3, and we get this is your sin theta into cos theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta minus this is your cube cos cube theta divided by you get sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta। if you observe that if your denominator is same, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, आपका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन जो भी कुछ है वो यहाँ पे अप्लाई होगा। sin theta into cos theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta, then we get sin cube theta minus cos cube theta। okay, प्रॉब्लम अभी तक एंड नहीं है, मेरे पास स्पेस कम है, इसकी वजह से देखो sin क्यूब थीटा माइनस cos क्यूब थीटा डिवाइडेड बाय sin थीटा इनटू cos थीटा sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा। ओके, सी नेक्स्ट। अभी देखो लास्ट स्टेप आपके पास क्या है, लास्ट स्टेप sin क्यूब थीटा माइनस cos क्यूब थीटा divided by if you get sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta। ओके, लास्ट स्टेप था। ओके, यहाँ पे लास्ट स्टेप मैंने एज इट इज लिख दिया है। देन वी गेट tell me the expansion of a cube minus b cube। लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में इसका एक्सपांशन आया था, क्या आया था बताओ, a minus b a square plus ab plus b square। same procedure is here, sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, then we write this is your a minus b in sin theta minus cos theta, then first का square, then we get sin square theta plus दोनों का प्रोडक्ट sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta। ओके, क्या किया मैंने, a cube minus b cube, this is your a cube b cube, a cube minus b cube sin cube theta minus cos cube theta। we write this instead of this sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, क्या है आपका आया sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by we write this sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta। okay, then this sin theta minus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta again cancel, remaining is your sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by we write sin theta into cos theta। okay, but we get sin square theta, first we write this is your cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by we write sin theta into cos theta। but according to first identity, what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? that is equals to 1। sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, we write this sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by we write sin theta into cos theta। अभी डिनोमिनेटर आपका सेपरेट करो, then we write 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta Then sin theta cos theta get cancelled. 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus 1. Okay. Then we write 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. That plus 1. But what is the value of 1 upon sin theta? That is equals to cosec theta. And what is the value of 1 upon cos theta? That is equals to sec theta. Means instead of this 1 upon sin theta, we write cosec theta. Instead of this 1 upon cos theta, then we write sec theta and plus